shit that I do.
So, Urban Decay came out with a new product. It's called the Eyebrow, and it claims to be 60 hours long. So I'm going to be talking with you guys about that because I did test it out last week. I have it on my eyebrows right now, so I can have it for the week. Pretty good thing for work, to be honest with you. So, spoiler alert, I do enjoy this product. There are some downfalls about it, so I'm going to go into depth about that. All in all, I do like this product and I do recommend it if you don't feel like doing your eyebrows every single time you do your makeup. So I'm going to be putting a demo on the screen, maybe like, you know, somewhere, maybe right here or something, or in the bottom corner or something like that. So you can see how it applies. I do have it in depth, like a really close up on my Instagram, and I don't know why he's barking because he probably don't know what he's barking at. I'm gonna have a really close up Instagram tutorial of the application if you want to see it up close and personal, but today we're just gonna do a little box probably over here. First things first, they're tiny. They have, how much product do they have in here? They expire in 6 months. They have 1.8 mil of product. They're a waterproof eyebrow gel. And yeah, I have a strong opinion about these. You guys, they come in these shades right here. This was sent to me in PR, but this is not a sponsored post. Like, I just wanted to really give you an in-depth opinion about this stuff. These are the shades. They come in 7 shades. Honestly, I have an issue with the shade range because Dark Drapes is the darkest one, and like, what about the girls that have black eyebrows and like need a black, like a brown black? Like, they should really extend their eyebrow range. That's all I gotta say. For me personally, this range works. I have the shades here, Neutral Nana and Dark Drapes. This is what I use in the brow blade. So this is my actual like amazing go-to eyebrow shade for Urban Decay. This one, I just got it just because it says it's a neutral brown, but if you look at this, it's pretty warm to me, honestly. I'm not gonna put it on my hand because it doesn't come off like, that does not come off like at all. But I think that they should get their undertones better, and I feel like they should do a little bit more cool tone colors because I feel like they only have neutrals and warms. Since I have my hair like I do, I want more of a like cool tone eyebrow lately. I feel like Dark Drapes is like borderline perfect, though I did mix these two together today, but in the video that's gonna be right here on the screen, I am just using Dark Drapes to do my eyebrows, but I felt like that was a little bit too dark because I did wear these without any makeup on most of the time. So yeah, so let's just get into these claims on this little pamphlet they got here, and it says that inked brow will keep your brows locked and snatched for up to 60 hours. I can agree with that, but the end of the 60 hours, it's gonna be faded. So I did touch up. I had to touch up by day 2. So I touched up by day 2 and it was like just rubbing off where I didn't have any hair. So if you have sparse brows, definitely, oh, I have to sneeze in a second. Okay, it's gone. You're gonna definitely have to touch up. I think it's my ring light that's trying to make me sneeze. Cause you know when you look at a light and then like your nose, you're gonna have to touch up. Like, you can touch up just so you're not having, so you do wear off of this product. I would suggest touch up with the eyebrow pencil or another pomade that just washes off, so you're not constantly putting this on and you're constantly gonna have these on, because you do need to wash your face in between each use of this, just for hydration, just for hygiene purposes. This is a semi-permanent brow gel that lasts up to 60 hours for waterproof arches that are smudge proof and sweat resistant. Totally agree. Like I said, nothing on my hands. This does not wear off. On my Instagram story, I did a Instagram video with the Pixie Hydrating Milky collection, and I scrubbed my eyebrows. Did not come off. I scrubbed it with cleanser and a peel, and it did not come off at all. I'll put that clip on the screen if I can insert it somewhere. So this is a vegan formula, and they're also cruelty free. So they have taupe trap, which is this taupe, a ginger snap, which is auburn, cafe kitty, which is a warm medium brown, warm brown, which is Burnett Betty, brown sugar, which is a soft medium brown, Neutral Nana, which I have here, which they said it's a neutral brown, but I feel like it's a warm brown. I really do. I feel like this is a warm brown. Let me know if you think this is a warm brown, because it's true to what the color is. I think it's warm. And then Dark Drapes is a dark brown, which I feel like this is more of a neutral brown to me. So the applicator is a little brush, and I feel like if you just, you know, scrape off the brush, I feel like this is a really good brush. It's very, 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 very stiff, tightly packed. It does not slip and slide everywhere. I really like the brush. Like the brush, brush, I was really worried about. I was like, you know what, I'm about to use my own eyebrow brush. I didn't even have to do that. I did not have to use any other product or tool. I just used this. The only other tool I used was a spoolie because the one downfall of this, I don't like how it makes my hairs feel. It makes my hair feel goopy, and my eyebrow hairs, they feel goopy and they feel stiff, they feel heavy. So to just make them feel like soft and feathery again, I just like brush the product off of my eyebrows mainly with a spoolie. That's the only downfall I see to it. The only downfall in the color. The shade range, it needs a little bit, it needs more to it. But I honestly like this product. Let me see. It retails for, I believe, $26, which like I said, is expensive. Let me see really quick. Yeah, so at Urban Decay, Sephora, and Ulta, they're all across the board $26 for one of these. So they're pricey, but I feel like you're not going to be doing your eyebrows every single day. So it will definitely be something that you can put your money into, because you're not going to use it every single day. You're going to use it maybe every like 4 to 5 days, I believe. It lasted me like fully with touch-ups, it lasted me about 6 days. Pretty good. And then I just let it wear off, and I scrubbed it and stuff over like 2 days, and it came off pretty easy. My eyebrows didn't itch. I didn't break out. I didn't do anything like that. So I feel like this is a really good product all in all. I feel like it's way better than the brow blade. Like you guys know, I'll put the eye right here, that I feel like the brow blade, I feel like they should have just did the brow pen and not the pencil. Because I like the pen. Like, the pen is amazing on that product, but the pencil is not the pencil is not my cup of tea. So because of the fact that it's a little bit, I don't know, I don't like the packaging of the pencil. The formula is okay. It's a little bit more creamy than I'm used to, but I do like it. I mean, you can just go see my review right there. I'm not 100% sure what I say, but this is what I say now. The pen is amazing. The pencil, they should have just stuck with the pen. So these are better than the brow blade, I feel like. So let me know if you try this product down below. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah, so if you have any questions, if I didn't cover anything, let me know in the comments down below and I'll answer them. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.